Hello everybody, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Denise with Lily Pop Love, and we are unboxing Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2023, and we are on day 23. 2 more days left. We're opening presents tomorrow, so because my husband says he can't wait, so he's telling me that there's a reason why we can't wait, because I only have so many days off work, and he wants me to go ahead and order so I can play with whatever he got me. So I don't know what that means, but that means I think it's he just can't wait. He wants to open them tomorrow. I don't know. We shall see. But we're going to open 23, see what Jenny's wearing, look at her cute sweaters, all that, and see what's in this box. What do we have today? What do we have? What do we have, Jenny? What do we have?
Good morning, everybody. It's day 23. Happy holidays. Are you glad? I'm wearing plaid. Day 23. We're getting a little nuttier as we go along. Let's see what we have in our Christmas box. Ooh,
oh, that makes me laugh. Yes, we have a box.
Day 23. Let's see here. See if I can get this sticker off here.
That's a sticker, all right. Come on, Jenny.
Ron, I need you. Oh, wait, I got it. Let's see here. Day 23. He's as excited as I am about what... Oh, you guys, I love these. These are wax relief cups, and you got a beautiful red one last year if you got the box. Now you have a sister for it, and so it has this cute quilt block on it, but this is my favorite. Quilters are peacemakers. When we send our quilts out in the world, they send out love and caring, and they are peacemakers. Ron, nope, this is only for me. Happy day 23.
So that was, oh yes, I like this one. I love the coffee cups because I drink my tea, or I might drink my coffee. And this one is, yes, I'm very excited about this. Quilters are peacemakers. And then I think this block, well, I thought it might match the one behind me, but it doesn't. But that's okay. It might match one of them. So, yes, I like this. I can drink my tea or my coffee or my hot chocolate. Yes. Thank you, Jenny. Okay, tell me what you guys thought. Did you like this present? I like coffee cups. Y'all tell me what you think down below. And hit my face, click on my face, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. And y'all have a good evening. Have a good Saturday night. Bye-bye.